The entertainment business degree at the Ann Lacey School of American Dance and Entertainment has 4 track options. The first is talent management, entertainment pre-law, event planning, and then we have a customizable track called entertainment enterprise. So we have co-curricular activities where the students are taking what they learned in the classroom and applying it to auditions, to shows, to special events. So the student has a resume where you don't say, I took these classes, you say, I took these classes and I did this.
From fashion show planning to event planning to sports entertainment to entertainment pre-law, it's such an adaptable degree and you can go wherever you want with it.
If you really like to go into somewhere and learn something new every day and not know what you're going to do, this is the perfect place for you. Every single day there's learning opportunities.
The students will be learning across the board, no matter which of the 4 tracks they go into. There are components of budgeting, there's strategic planning. For some of them, there will be fundraising depending on if it is a nonprofit or a for-profit organization.
The biggest thing that I've gained from all of my classes has been that connection with professors, with other students that are going to grow up in that entertainment industry, and that connection has led me to great opportunities.
You can apply to use some internships as part of your track curriculum. So if you wanted to do event planning, it could be that you are working with an event planning company as part of your curriculum, so you're also getting outside hands-on experience in that area.
I chose the entertainment enterprise track because it's customizable. So for my last year or so, I got to pick a lot of courses that I was interested in, and I chose a variety of business courses to prepare me for any part of the business world I wanted to go into.
The entertainment business degree has provided me with that desire to know more and learn more every single day, every time I walk into a classroom.
By coming here, you're not only getting classroom knowledge, you're also learning these soft skills as you go through, and you're learning how to work within a team and work with other people and work with different kinds of people. And also, you just get to have fun while you do it. And so while you're learning, you're having fun, and it just creates this great environment to be in.